Hello and welcome back. In this video, we'll show you how to make the most of the Green Street resources for business. The resources you can use will depend on your membership level. By this stage, you'll have done your Green Street score. Keep the areas you identified in mind as we explore the next few steps. There are two main ways you can access the resources in this video. One is through your profile shortcuts and the other is through the main menu. To access your available resources through your profile, click the My Resources link here. Here, it will only show the resources you have full access to. You can scroll down and access the resources from here, or you can go to the Resources tab at the top of your screen. First, we'll be accessing the 10 steps towards sustainability. From here, scroll to the second level in your resources and click the link. To access this resource through the main menu, go to Resources and click the Level 2 Resource tab. You will also find a pathway to the sustainability roadmap here. We'll be using this resource later in the video. The 10 steps is a short step-by-step guide to visualize your journey. For an overview, scroll to the bottom and click the pathway for 10 Steps Towards Sustainability Video and Online Guide. Watch the video and click on each step to explore in detail. For extra guidance, you can download the PDF guide from the link at the bottom. Next, you'll need to set your priorities. Go to step 3 and click the Pathway Sustainability Roadmap. It can also be found in Resources Level 2. The roadmap offers a business-specific quiz that allows you to identify areas of your business model that needs addressing. Open the quiz by scrolling to the bottom and click Launch the Roadmap. The quiz is broken into 4 stages: Commit, Act, Embed, and Influence. You will answer the questions on where your business is at these stages. It will take around 10 minutes. Please ensure you provide an email so you can keep a record of these results. You can return to the roadmap via the pathway here. The roadmap is a step-by-step guide to achieving specific areas of sustainability within your business. Whether your business is small or a large corporation, this roadmap guides development. Using your answers from the quiz and the Green Street score, determine what areas of the roadmap you want to address. It's usually a good idea to pick a couple of the lower scoring areas. Next, download the roadmap's Journey Companion. You can get this from the roadmap resource page. The companion guide points you to the resources you can use to support your journey. Use this to guide your process. Some of the resources can be used for multiple strategies listed in the roadmap. It is important to ensure you keep the end result in mind and just focus on a few strategies for now. To start implementing strategies, see the Sustainability Planning resource. To access this resource, go to the Resource menu and click the Level 3 Resource tab. And scroll to the bottom. You can also access this resource via your profile, going to Your Resources and scrolling down and clicking the pathway here. Just a reminder that the resources in your profile is dependent on your membership. That's it for now. Thanks and good luck with your sustainable journey.